Lulu Devin is a American Big Bust feature dancer, model, and video actress. Lulu turned to dance as a feature dancer. Lulu is also the older sister of fellow Big Bust feature dancer and actress. Lulu has appeared on numerous talk shows such as Jerry Springer Show, The Jenny Jones Show, The Howard Stern Show, and The Sarah Jessica Raphael Show, and also has made appearances at the Entertainment Expo with fellow Big Buzz performers Chelsea Charms, Manika, and Keela. Devin has appeared in men's magazines such as Sport, Gent Hustler, and D Cup magazine.